Now, next is food poisoning. Now, how does this food poisoning occurs? Suppose you are invited by your friend on a dinner party at hotel or somewhere or in marriage. Then you go there and you eat a lot of food there. Is it? On reaching home, what happened? You started vomiting and you have to be hospitalized. Then the doctor said that this condition is due to the food poisoning. So what happened? So that you suffered from the food poisoning. These food poisonings occurs, it could be due to the consumptions of the food spoiled by some microorganism. Means that you have eaten food which is spoiled or which may be contaminated by some microorganism. These microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produces poisonous or toxic substances, and these toxic substances make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death. और अगर ऐसा कंटेमिनेटेड या पॉइजनस फूड जो हमें मालूम नहीं होता है और हम लोग ज़्यादा खा लेते हैं तो उसकी वजह से हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, सीरियस बीमार होते हैं, या समटाइम्स डेथ ऑल्सो ऑकर. So very important that we have to preserve the food to prevent it from being spoiled. Spoiled means खराब होना. खाना खराब होता है, उसको बचने के लिए there are many methods to preserve it. So we have to see now food preservation. Actually there are many methods to see the to preserve the foods, but we are studying here one by one. The first method is chemical method. Chemical method, what happens? How to preserve the food in chemical methods? Means some preservatives are there. These preservatives means what? Ki some chemicals which is used to check the growth of microorganisms are called as the preservative. That we will see it next. Now, for example, sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfite. Here it is given. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite are common preservative. These are used in jams and squashes to check whether the food is spoiled or not. So the salts and edible oil. Edible means खाने वाला जो तेल होता है. They are generally used to check the growth of the microorganisms. They are added in the food so that the food does not get spoiled. Understood? In that, the first one is preservation by common salt. Common salt means जो हम नमक खाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं common salt, और the chemical name is sodium chloride. This common salt has been used to preserve meat and fish for ages. Means बहुत पुराने समय से हम ये salt यूज करते हैं. Meat and fish are covered with dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Salting is also used to preserve amla, raw mangoes. Raw mangoes means कच्चा आम. Tamarind, amli. All these are preserved by the common salts. अपनी मम्मी अचार बनाती है तो उस अचार के अंदर भी salt डाला जाता है so that it does not get spoiled. Now preservation by sugar. जो sweet dishes होती है, sweet चीज़ें होती है, they are preserved by sugar. For example, jams, jellies and squashes, they are preserved by sugar. What does this sugar do? This sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibit the growth of the bacteria which spoil the food. मतलब ये शुगर है, सॉल्ट है, वो हवा में जो मॉइस्चर या फूड के अंदर जो मॉइस्चर होता है, मॉइस्चर मीन्स पानी जो होता है, भेज जिसको बोलते हैं, इट एब्सॉर्ब इट एंड इट डज नॉट अलाउ द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म टू ग्रो इन द फूड. देन प्रिजर्वेशन बाय ऑयल एंड द विनेगर. विनेगर का नाम तुमने सुना होगा, बाजार में इसकी बोतल मिलती है. यूजेस ऑफ ऑयल एंड विनेगर prevent spoilage of pickle. Pickle means achar, because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. They do not grow in such a environment. Means वो फूड के अंदर वो बढ़ नहीं सकते एंड द फूड डज नॉट गेट स्पॉइल. वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट, fish and meat are often preserved by this oil and the vinegar. Next is heat and cold treatment. Heat and cold treatment means what? We heat the food and sometimes we put the food in refrigerator. So in refrigerator what happens? The temperature is cool. When you open the door of the fridge, you see the air comes from it. This cool air comes from it.